Hello guys, getting ready for the split pots or split containers, the govi of the wooden tradition, filling the sacred waters of the heaven, nearly blessed. This is one of the primary steps I generally do. For me, the rainwater is the blessing, the great blessing from the heaven, and it completely brings down the powers, the energy of the devas, the gods and the goddesses, and also the ancestors. So I fill in. First I cleanse the pot with the rainwater, and I also fill them with the rainwater. Then I use tantric methodologies for attenuating the rainwater with supreme powers of the nature. I am really blessed, and I seek this opportunity in this rainy season for preparing a powerful fruit pot that can serve as a strong magnet to pull in the infernal army of the hell. These pots are going to be an asana or a pida, that is a sitting stand for the great Lucifer Grofakal, the Prime Minister of hell. Thank you students and friends. I want to say another thing to you. This type of split pots are not available in our country nowadays. These split pots are more than 100 years old, to be approximately. It is given to my better half from their family relations. These pots are used to store foods. Actually, these pots are used by their ancestors for storing money, for putting in jewels. In ancient times, in our country, people are used this type of pots for storing their money and the jewels. My missus shares with me such that these pots, the money put in this pot smells. It contains the smell of sand or the earth. So it's already imprinted for a decade with the energetic patterns of money and jewels, precious items. So I am more blessed for using this pot. I am getting ready for making this pot as an asana, as a stand, as an pida, in which Lucifer or Lucifer Grofakal can stand. Thank you, friends. Thank you, students. Friends, remember that these type of magical operations should be correctly proceed using the formulas of sympathetic magic that is used vastly in hoodoo or native wooden traditions. Sympathy is more important. The people who are working in the realm of sympathetic magic can understand my language, so that it's more important the pot, the materials that has been put inside the pot, and other accessories that is used in this type of magic, all should be more sympathetic to the result for which you are performing these operations. So always remember, from the initial stage to the final stage, you should be very sure that what are the operations you are doing, or what are the things you are putting inside the pot, including the pot, should be more in resonance, be more in sympathy with the end result. That's more important. Thank you, friends. Thank you, friends. Friends, always remember, rainwater contains the elixir, the great blessing from the devas, and the gods, and the goddesses, whatever you name it, contains essence of tantric energies. You can use it for various purposes. And also, if you accompany it with various circumstances like thunder or a particular time, this rainwater has tremendous power.